Do you want faster access to your favorite website while browsing? Samsung Internet lets you display a bookmark bar, so your saved websites are always just one tap away. Let me show you how. First, open the Samsung Internet app. Tap the three-dot menu in the bottom right corner. Then tap Setting. Next, tap Layout and Menus. Now, enable Show Bookmarks bar. To see how it works, go back to your home page. You will now see your bookmark website displayed in a bookmark bar below the address bar. Simply tap any bookmark to open that website instantly. As a note, if you move the address bar to the bottom of the screen, the bookmark still appears directly below it. However, if you no longer want to display the bookmark bar, simply return to the setting and then turn the show bookmark bar off. And that's how you show the bookmark bar in Samsung Internet on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.